Kubla Khan by S.T. Coleridge. S.T. Coleridge. कोबलाई खान. लास्ट में थोड़ी सी आवाज छोटी ये की देनी है. कोबलाई खान. प्रोनाउंसिएशन गैदर करेंगे. In Xanadu did Kubla Khan a stately player dome decree, where Alph the sacred river ran through caverns, measureless to man, down to a sunless sea, so twice 5 miles of fertile ground, with walls and towers were girdled round. Girdled. And there were gardens bright with sinuous rills, where blossomed many an incense-bearing tree, and here were forests ancient as the hills, unfolding sunny spots of greenery. But oh, that deep romantic chasm, which slanted down the green hill, earthward a saddened cover, a savage place as holy and enchanted as ever beneath a waning moon was haunted by women wailing for her domain lover. And from this chasm, with ceaseless turmoil seething, as if this earth in fast thick pains were breathing, a mighty fountain momently was forced, amid whose swift, half intermitted burst, huge fragments vaulted like rebounding hail, a chaffy grain beneath the thresher's flail. And mid these dancing rocks at once and ever, it flung up momentary the sacred river, 5 miles meandering with a mazy motion, through wood and dale, and the sacred river ran. Then reached the caverns measureless to man, and sank in tumult to the lifeless ocean. And mid this tumult Kubla heard from far ancestral voices professing woe. The shadow of the dome of player floated midway on the waves, where was heard the mingled murmurs. From the fountain and the caves, it was a miracle of rare device, a sunny player dome with caves of ice. A damsel with a dulcimer in a vian once I saw. It was an Abyssinian maid, and on her dulcimer she played, singing of Mount Obra. Could I revive within me her symphony and song, to such a deep delight would win me, that with music loud and long I would build that dome in air, that sunny dome, those caves of ice. And all who heard should see them there, and all should cry, be aware, be aware. His flashing eyes, his floating hair, wave a circle round him thrice.